What are we picking up today, buddy?
A new wheel.
Just the frame, though. Cole knows about this, huh, buddy?
No.
Oh, God. Do you already have the motor for it? Or is it still charged?
Oh, man. It's a Honda.
How long till we put it all together and it blows up? Until Ethan realizes, do you think? 10 years? Probably. What about Owen? He already knows. Probably. What's that, buddy? Huh? Oh, God. Here we go again. Don't burn this one. Here she is. James is already working on it. So that's what's left of the last one. See, it's pretty charred. It's got whatever that is. It's a 78. The rear axle's stuck. And plastics seen better days, but they're fiberglass. Yep, that's our free dingus. Oh, she's mint.
Oh, she smells good.
So we're gonna pull this tire off the rim. Since this one's bad. It's got a huge hole in it. It's not gonna hold air. We're probably gonna use this tire. We just took all this time and effort to get that side of the wheel off so we can put it on that side since it's all rusty. And it's not the side with the valve stem. We're freeing up the rear axle right now. Let's see. It's been alright. Not great. Some not good spots. Like there. We're gonna end up probably buying a plastic tank for it so it doesn't burn to the ground. For our plastics. Yeah, and then tires too, probably. 'Cause, yeah. And then the seat and the grips. So basically the whole damn thing. We're slowly getting this axle out so we can put that one in.
We just have to keep on.
I'm trying to get the brake drum
Hold on,
shit
let me
off.
grab us.
We finally got the stupid rear axle bearing. We're gonna wash it now. We got the rear end off and Owen Hayburn here to help. Yeah. A lot of broken bolts and not fun stuff. I'm gonna be taking the foot brake and chain tensioner off now. And probably the front end.
Right. Right.
Come back, back.
I got all the brake stuff off. We've gotten the front off now.
To skip a few.
Yeah. We're gonna start beating it flat there.
Put that back straight.
This?
Yeah.
Nah.
Lock it.
Anywhere.
Like this. And just beat it.
We're gonna do some grinding now. Well, we have been. And then we're gonna paint it. And
Like that?
Oh yeah. Cheers.
We just have like 2.
We're starting a cannon tower.
This is the first 10 minutes.
Badass. What the frame looks like so far.
I already filmed.
I don't care, I'm filming. That's our canned tower. Shut up. That's front forks. And then all of our parts here painted black. It's coming together slowly but surely. Got brakes and the rear axle on, toolkit in the front end, and we look like we're homeless. Because we are.
Yep.
We're gonna be done with the freewheeler tonight. Currently the next day, we're putting more together, trying to figure out the brakes. Looking pretty good. We painted the front fender now. And we figured out the brakes too.
And we're taking the front letter mount, which caused all this out.
We've got the front fender on now. Starting to make a seat out of random foam and a piece of plywood. We finally got the motor in. And we're working on with the crusty wiring. Gotta put the headlight back in, but it's looking pretty good. We had to make a custom mount up here because the last one broke. Yeah. We have a carb coming and a tank. We just got done painting the work stuff, including the pull start.